Hi, Jennifer Shaheen, founder and president of Technology Therapy Group, if you don't know me by now. And yep, I had something small, nothing major, but I just thought it was a great opportunity to talk to you about the fact that for the last day, I've been working with one good arm. And it's funny because I really think about it like the beginning of starting my business and growing my business. It really sometimes can feel like that, like you only have one good arm, and that's okay. And that's what we're here for. And I just thought this small situation was a great opportunity to connect and say, I get it. I mean, you have a vision. You know where you want to go. But sometimes the road to getting there requires you to understand the digital tools that we need to build our business. So that's what we're here for. That's what Technology Therapy Group is all about. We want you to be successful. So make sure you're leveraging our YouTube channel, taking advantage of our downloads, our free webinars. We want to see you succeed. We want to see you stay strategic, be focused, and get to where you're trying to get to this year, and then help you level up next year. So take advantage of all of our free tools, and then maybe you might want to try working one-on-one with one of our coaches, or taking some of our trainings either live or in person, or even hiring us to support you as you grow your website or build your marketing plan. Whatever it is that you need, we are here for you. And it's really all I wanted to explain, is that Technology Therapy Group, the heart and soul of this business, is really to help you from feeling like you're running a business with one hand. We got you. And we hope that we see you on one of our webinars or get to work with you one-on-one. So you got this. Keep building your business and keep leveraging the tools that we have to support you. Thanks so much for listening. Hopefully this is inspiring, and I'll see you on hopefully an upcoming session. Thanks, everyone.